Hello Mirillearners! Welcome to this new video. I'm Miriam and today we are going to see the answers of the video Frequency Adverbs. Let's start. So in this exercise you had to write the sentences in the correct order, paying attention to the adverb. So let's see. First sentence. Tom always goes swimming on Saturdays. So first you have to write the subject, then the frequency adverb, then the verb, and then the complements. Second, the students sometimes do their homework. First subject, then frequency adverb, then the verb, and then complements. My sister often watches TV series. First subject, then frequency adverb, then verb, and then complements. You never eat vegetables on Fridays. First subject, then the verb, then the frequency adverb, then the verb, then complements. He often plays with his friends. First subject, then frequency adverb, then the verb, and then the complements. Now, what happens with the verb to be? For example, she is often tired. First, we write the subject, and first we write to be, and then the frequency adverb, and then the complements. Let's see other example. Tom is always angry with us. First subject, and first goes the verb to be, and then the frequency adverb, then the complements. Jim never arrives early. First subject, then frequency adverb, then verb, then complements. She never buys food for the weekends. First subject, then frequency adverb, then the verb, and then complements. And last one. I sometimes play football with my brother. First subject, then frequency adverb, then the verb, and then the complements. Please click on the like, por favor dale a me gusta, suscríbete, subscribe, para saber cuando subo mis próximos vídeos, for you to know when I upload my next videos, and see you in the next video. Nos vemos en el próximo video. Thank you, bye bye.